Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather upholstery. Your new ride is just a phone call away.